Yeah, okay.
Alright, so we got 1. A. A is the 1. First letter, 1. G is the 7th letter. We have 1 of 7. Now the 13th letter. Now we end up with the 7. The 7 also has a 1 in it, so it makes an 8. And across from it in the D, you have a 4 with a 1 in it, which is a 5. 8 and 5 is 13. 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. 1 of 7 of 13. 20, which is just a 110, is 110. And again, you're left with your 2 i's. Or there's 2 1 of 7. Like look, there's a 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 up here. There's a 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 down here. And you're left with two c's to do this guy. You're left with 2 c's. Because it's 2 1 of 7. It's, what is it? Euler's constant. It's Euler's constant, right? Euler's constant. Yes. What is this? That's not the number I want. E. Right here, guy. 2.71. 2 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. And I'm pretty sure I've done that before. But anyway, yeah, so if you have, here's your yellow C, okay? You're going to have a yellow bracket for 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. But that 1 is going to be a circled 7, 13, 110. Okay? And this C is going to reach out, okay? And it's going to want to, there we go. It's going to want to meet up with something, okay? It's going to want to meet up with, like, let's say an X, okay? You need your red X here, okay? Okay, you need your red X. And it's going to hook up with this orange thing. And this orange thing in here is also going to be another circled 7, 13, 110. Okay? So, okay, like this one, your 7 will be the brown. And over here, this one, your 7 will be the green from the G. Okay? You know? This one, your 1 will be your capital A. And this one, horrible that I'm doing it, but it's going to be on white, will be your white 91. Okay? Your 13 over there is also going to be, you know, it doesn't have to be, but it's going to be brown as well, because you use the 7 and the 6. And your 110 is going to come from your T. Okay? And your 110 here is going to come from the pink line, and the black dot. And your 13 here is going to come from a combination of the green and the red. Okay? So it's making 2 1 of 7 of 13s. 2.7. Okay? That's what it is. Okay? It's E. E. Okay? Euler's number E directs here. E number E directs here. The number E is a mathematical constant approximately equal to 2.71828, which appears in many different settings throughout mathematics. It was discovered by Swiss mathematician Jacob Bernoulli while studying compound interest, where E arises in the limit of 1 plus 1 over n to the n as n approaches infinity. The number E can also be calculated as the sum of the infinite series. It's an infinite series, guys. That's what I learned in school. It's also called Euler's number after the Swiss mathematical Leonhard Euler. E is different from gamma, the Euler-Mascheroni constant, which is sometimes called the simply Euler's constant. Occasionally number E is blah 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 blah. Number E is of eminent importance in mathematics, alongside 0, 1, pi, and I. E is the 5th letter of the alphabet, and it's like the 5th thing of importance. Anyways, all these numbers play important roles according to across mathematics, 5 counts period, and one formula of Euler's identity. Like the constant pi E is irrational. It is also a ratio of integers, yada yada yada. But anyways, all I'm trying to get at here is like everything I've ever done about the Earth. Okay, and your Earth is right here. Okay, it's your circle of the 1 by 3. Okay, it's your 1 of 7 of 13. That's your 3rd dimensional Earth. Okay, but we're gonna grow up and become big boys and girls. And we're gonna grow up to be 5-dimensional Earth. When you understand 5-dimensional Earth, okay, you get like a bazinga on how to attach a 5x9 to a 5x9 and understand Armageddon. Okay, so there's linkages and stuff. Okay, it's all fly spec math, and I strongly advise that you learn this stuff and you share it with people, because this is the only truth out there. It changes the paradigm of what you live inside of, not upon. Light can bend for you. Understand that all this is for you, the observer, and each and every one of us is different. Light bends, okay, at different degrees of severity based on the matter in the room, okay? If like different stones, light would have to bend probably more for, like, let's say a diamond, or like yesterday when I cleaned out the cockroach room, which was like, I almost threw up a few times, but imagine how much light had to bend to create that chaos in that room. That disordered chaos. Fuck, we threw out at least 20 some bags, plus furniture, plus trips of shit, plus like six bins of garbage. The mattress was so gross, but like, whatever. Okay, like it's raining, freezing rain or something. Anyway, yeah, this is the only thing that matters, guys. It's all about cellular energy and cellular mathematics, and it's depicted in everything, every movie and every song. But like, you can still walk around being blind to it, or you can start to be savvy about it, and you can learn about it. Okay, I'm not the first person to do this. I'm just the first person to kind of like, there, this is what it is. They're not allowed to talk about it because they're like sworn to secrecy. I'm not. I'm here to help you.